The driver of this Chevrolet SUV is about to cause an accident. Keep your eyes on the vehicle as it makes the turn through the intersection. The driver completes the turn and immediately begins to move into the left lane, right into the path of the dashcam driver. Now you must be thinking or even shouting in your head, "What an idiot!" But is this accident preventable? Most certainly. Even though the dashcam driver is in the right, he has the option to aggressively blow his horn and brake to avoid this accident. But most drivers, and even you, the viewers, probably won't. And so ego wins, vehicles get damaged, and the inconvenience of not having a vehicle to drive becomes a frustrating reality. So who is at fault here, and could this accident have been prevented? Legally, the driver of the Chevrolet is at fault, but this is where defensive driving comes in. Because drivers make mistakes. Some are distracted, some misjudge distance, some simply act without thinking. Yes, it's frustrating, but remember, your safety comes first. So while letting a driver go might make you angry and bruise your ego, avoiding an accident is always more important than proving a point. Here's a tip or reminder. Whenever you make a turn, even if it is incorrect, stay in that lane until it is safe for you to make a lane change. So what do you think? Should the dashcam driver have done more to avoid this, or is this entirely on the SUV driver? Drive by. Real drivers, real mistakes, real lessons.